Today we have a video from Bodycam Ninja, and the title of the video is Wannabe Gangster acts tough in front of his girlfriend, fails miserably.
On June 4th, 2024, officers were dispatched to a home to investigate a disturbance after a caller reported that two people were screaming at each other.
The girl was sitting out here crying, and this boy took off. Now they both took off, so I'm assuming they both went in the house.
They're still yelling inside. She said it was just a fight between her and her boyfriend, but everything was fine now. But if you walk up close to that door, you can hear them screaming at each other.
Knock on the door again, tell her to come out. I want to see her boyfriend, too. Make sure everything's good.
I need you to come out here and talk to us, man.
Who's the boy? Tell me you need to step out here so we can talk to him.
Hey.
You can shut my door, please. Sir, I'm going to tell you right now that you're not going to tell me what's going to happen. Man, this is my motherfucking house.
You cannot pay.
You can't do that.
Hey, this is illegal. This is illegal. This is illegal. You need to get your officer. You need to get your officer. This is illegal. This is illegal. This is illegal.
You just need to talk to him.
For me.
Hey, chill out. We know our rights, bro.
Get the fuck off of me.
Get off of me.
My skinny ass takes all you.
Babe, chill.
It don't look like it, does it?
Dude, what are you guys doing?
This is illegal.
What are you doing this, Sean? This is illegal. They can't come in our house and give us the right. You guys cannot detain him. You didn't have a right to step in my house, Riddle.
Man, she need to get locked up too, man. You know, just on GP, man. Just on GP, man. Listen, you interfering, you grabbing them too and everything. You just on GP, man. Let's get him together because he's the main priority. But afterwards, we need to be working on her as well.
You didn't have a right to step in my house. We didn't give permission.
This is illegal. I'm suing you.
No, bro.
Bitch.
Why is he being detained? Why is he being detained?
Step back.
Why is he being detained?
Step back.
Bro,
Just step back.
fucking lucky you a cop, bitch.
Bro, why is
Anybody
he
else
being
I would
detained? You guys need to answer my questions. Why is he being detained?
I'll answer him in a minute. Just step back over there and stop yelling at
Step
us.
back for a
This is
second.
illegal. He came to my house illegally. He
What's
didn't
your
have
badge
permission. No, dude.
What's your badge number, I asked?
2312.
All right, bitch.
Dude, is your cam on? Is his cam on?
Yeah.
His cam better have been on. He walked in the house without
My
permission.
cameras are going. Bust down my goddamn door, nigga. All right, I got
Dude, you
you.
guys can't do
I got you.
this.
I got you, bitch.
Babe, you need to chill
No,
out.
you can shut the
Step
fuck up
back for a
too, bro.
second. We'll talk
They
to you
here
in a
because
second.
of you, nigga.
Are you arresting him? Or are
Yep.
you just detaining
Yes.
him?
No, he's under arrest.
Why? Why?
Because
Seriously.
we tried to explain to you why we were checking on
and we
you
were
guys.
trying to be a civil.
Okay, well, can you move my fucking leg?
Too, bro. Like, I don't understand. Mom, no, they can't arrest him. No,
Here,
it's not.
this side. Brody,
No, you guys don't understand.
stand him up.
You guys can't do this.
Three people. Three people.
Corey, I don't even know what.
No, yeah, you know this is illegal. Yeah, this
That
thing's
was illegal.
smart.
You came to my house without permission. That's
Bitch ass
illegal. I'm suing you.
Hit me, do it.
I'm suing you, bro. I'm suing
You're
you.
suing. I'm getting you sued, bitch. I'm getting you sued. You're getting sued too, nigga.
I don't think I'm black.
It's an end in our case, bitch. You brought my house on civil matter. I know my motherfucking rights. Take me to jail and get me the fuck out.
The other
It's illegal
side.
as gaming.
Other side.
It's illegal
Yep.
as gaming. Yeah. Bitch ass niggas.
No, bro.
Bitch ass niggas. Bitch ass niggas.
Babe, stop. Dude,
I got
stop.
Yeah.
This isn't helping you.
Nah, take my cash before they take that shit, nigga. Take my cash before they take that shit.
Bro. Why is he being arrested?
Cause they bitches.
He was inside
Cause
the
they
house.
bitches.
I was.
Why is she reaching in, man? Can these cops, where the fuck are these cops from, man? This is not, no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. These officers, no, this ain't it. Where the hell are these guys from? Newton Police Department? I'm sure every police department has a get them together crew, act right crew, act right squad. Somebody, they need to be up on game, man. They need to be up on game. They got her reaching in his pockets and all types of shit going on. Back her ass up. She needs to be getting locked up too. She need to be going just with her boyfriend. She want to be with her boyfriend so bad. Good. Y'all both can go on down to the county. Good. This guy got a Boys in the Hood hoodie on. What the hell you know about that movie, man? You saying all types of stuff, man. I don't know about you, man. I don't know.
Explain it to you here in a minute.
No, bro.
Nah, take my bandana too. I swear to God, they take my shit, bro.
This is illegal. You guys, you violated
You're a
his fucking
bitch.
rights.
She want to get.
Bro,
I'm just violating his rights.
She want to get that change out too.
Dude, I know my rights. Listen,
I'm gonna explain it to you.
Rights. He came in without permission. He wasn't being aggressive towards anybody. He said, "We're trying to
shut the door, man. Fix my cuffs, please. I ain't mad at y'all. I'm mad at that motherfucker cop that barges in my door. Illegal as
Got him.
Dude, he didn't have permission.
Yep.
Step in.
Okay? Stop. You're not helping your case.
I don't give a It's illegal.
No, he cannot do that,
Dispatch
bro. I know my
3-1,
rights.
custody.
He cannot come up in the house like that. I don't want that shit.
Here's the issue.
Bro,
We had a call about a domestic fight between you two.
no, we were fucking 6 feet apart. That's not domestic.
That's not what our call was, okay? I come up to talk to you.
Bro,
We asked him to step outside to talk to us, and he was...
He do this. We
He
were
was not
just
doing it.
arguing.
Shocker. They called the cops. The cops came there for them. And then they turned on the cops. It's typical. We just seen another case. I mean, it's typical. Stop wasting the police officer's time. This is a waste of time. You guys called the cops. The cops get there, then you turn on the cops. Stop wasting the officer's time.
Okay? We had a domestic
He
call.
came in illegally.
Listen. We had a domestic
Your
call.
body cam better have been on. I'm trying to listen.
Hey, mine's been on the whole time. It's still on, so it's showing how you're acting.
I don't care.
Okay.
That's illegal.
Will you listen to me?
He didn't have permission to come into my dogs. I'm
Don't
gonna
need
beat you
it.
guys, and you guys could have shot my dogs.
Did you see our guns out?
Like,
Okay. That's why I
Okay?
it's not okay, Jessica.
don't yell at me like that.
If he would have walked outside as we asked, we'd have not had a problem.
Fucking done, dude.
Okay? Because you guys have been fighting since down here around 500.
That's
And
been
we-
before that. They were fighting here at the house before they left.
I'm sure. And we seen you out here fighting.
Like, okay, and you waved at me.
And we turn around and come back.
They just wanted to talk to you guys.
And we
Like,
talked
just
to you.
wanted to fucking arrest him,
And
dude.
because he refused,
I don't even know who he is.
it's her boyfriend. His name's Corey.
Corey.
No, don't tell him. They're
gonna figure it out when they.
It doesn't matter, bro. Why is another cop coming? There's no reason to be another cop here, bro. You better tell him to go.
Okay, Grace.
You better settle down.
Then arrest me, bro. I don't care.
Can you write her number down
Sure.
and give to him?
Sure.
No.
She's gonna want to.
He was obstructing our investigation.
And you better give
Okay,
him
how
money.
did he?
He
Shut
did.
up, bro. Let me talk to
I'm
him.
just trying to tell you, get our transport.
He didn't step out when we asked him to. Went to slam the door in our face. That's not what you do when we're here.
Okay, I understand.
That was simple.
Oh, too late.
And then he was fighting with us.
Name real quick.
Bro.
Okay?
Like, are you guys serious?
Yes, we are. And we're going to leave, okay?
I hate my.
Oh, I'm an old cop trying to push my power. White hick.
Can you tell me what kind of medicine you're on, buddy?
Man, I should have fucking socked you in the face, you fucking illegal bitch.
What kind of drugs are you on?
In and out, you fucking idiot.
What kind of drugs are you on?
Are you realizing that? I'm gonna be in and out because of this.
You guys were screaming and yelling at each other.
Illegal.
We can't walk
It
away.
doesn't matter. I'm in my own property, you dumb.
You were doing it out in the street
I'm in
earlier.
my own property.
We called you guys. We got a call.
I'm in my own fucking property.
We could hear you screaming and yelling.
Yeah,
We come back.
everything is fine. My bitch just came out, you dumb. Obviously, we're fine.
We could
Shut
hear
up,
you guys.
bitch.
We
Shut
could
up,
hear you
bitch.
guys screaming
Shut
and
up,
yelling at
bitch.
each other.
Bro, I'm a
And when I tried to talk to you, you tried to slam the door in my face, and I didn't get a
because I
chance
shut
to
the
see
door
everybody.
And you barged in. That is illegal. Illegal. And I swear to God, you better not let me find you, bro. If I see you without that fucking badge, bro. Oh.
Dispatch Newton 4.
Oh, I'm gonna fuck these niggas up, bro.
Newton 4, go ahead. This subject's now threatening everybody at the jail with bodily harm. Said that we're all going to get messed up.
Because I want to
He's
talk to
extremely
you.
uncooperative and extremely violent.
Because you barged in and tapped
That
me
ain't
on
the
my
way it
front
all
door.
works. Quit talking.
Bro.
You've got the right to remain silent. Please exercise it.
Man, I'll cooperate. Don't you dare fucking sling me. Don't you do none of that shit, bro. Because I swear to God, I'll flip the fuck out. Because I know my rights. I'm going to be in and out, nigga. What you did was illegal as fuck. Are you sheriff? I'd like to talk to you.
No.
Well, too bad, nigga. If not, I'm going to sue this whole fucking place. Okay. Because my bitch ain't pressing charges, so there's no right to me to be here. Talk to your attorney. Alright, I will. You better fucking get him for me, nigga.
All right. You want to leave the hat on or no?
No, I'm going to pull the hat off.
It is not a hat. It's a shiesty. It should come off. It should have been off. Shiesty mask, ski mask, whatever you want to call it. This guy, man, he is. This is a confused young gentleman, man. This is a confused young man. Oh man. This come on, man. This is a terrible representation. I ain't gonna lie, man, because there's black people that don't even act like this. I gotta keep it 100. Clearly, he is influenced by the black community. It's showing, but there's black people that don't even act like this. Exhibit A. Okay. Do I watch Boys in the Hood? Yes, I do. Do I listen to hip hop music? Yes, I do. Do I wear Nike Techs? Yes, I do. Do I wear ski mask? No, I don't. But you know, I get the culture. I get it, right? You know, but this guy here is he's taking it to a whole nother level. I ain't gonna lie, this is I don't know what gotten into him. Because yeah, it's just this ain't looking good, man. This ain't looking good at all.
Bro, you all getting sued like a motherfucker, bro. Watch. This shit gonna be funny as hell. If I did not give him permission to come in my house, if he barged in my house and brung me out, that's illegal, correct? My bitch just came out and said nothing is the problem. And he came in and got me anyways, bro. That's illegal. It's illegal.
Talk to your attorney.
It's fucking illegal. Yeah, and y'all all gonna get sued. And if I don't get that back, I swear to God, bro, y'all all getting sued, bro.
If you don't get what?
If I don't get my shit back, you get sued.
Okay.
Keep playing with me. Keep fucking playing with me. Your old ass had to have 3 cops to help you.
The suspect was charged with a felony count of threatening a public official, disorderly conduct, and resisting arrest. Thanks for watching.
Man, if he ever got sentenced to some real time or whatever, yeah, all that shit, he gonna quiet all of that down. All of that shit he talking, and the way he talking, that shit is no, yeah, quiet all that down. Just quiet all that down. All that barking you got going on, No, you ain't a pit bull, man. You a chihuahua. You know what I'm saying? You a poodle. You know what I mean? No, man. Yeah, you act tough with your girl, but no. This guy here, man, I don't know what the hell is wrong with him, man. I would assume his parents are highly disappointed. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.